I was just sent this spray and want to test how well it really works. So first things first, you have to make your hair damp, or if you just got out of the shower, go ahead and towel dry it, and then we're going to spray this to it. It does have a coconut scent. It's very light, so it's not a super strong coconut scent. And then after you've sprayed it evenly, you're not going to rinse it. You're going to leave it in, and we're going to style it. So I'm going to give it a couple extra sprays, and we're going to put a hair straightener through it and then curl it up. Okay, I gotta say, it definitely looks a lot better, and I feel like it's soft and smooth. It really helps protect my hair from heat, and I am excited to see how it keeps it from getting frizzy. But I'm gonna throw some waves in there too, so let's check it out. Okay guys, finished product, love it. I think it actually gave my hair a lot of volume too, because a lot of times I don't see this much volume. So I definitely recommend this, try it.